Morning guys, this is a grey, wet, windy, rainy day in Aberdovey. That's me parked up there. Got here about 12 o'clock last night. Up with the seagulls. Few people on the beach walking the dogs. It's mild, 10 degrees. Not bad. I'm sick of this rain though. Sand dunes at the top. And there's me. It's not cold though. Just wish this rain would pee off. So I'm probably gonna be moving over to that way. I think there's Porth over there. Unless after today I travel inland, I don't know. Anyway, just a short video, just to let you guys know where I am, and I'll catch you again soon. Bye.